In this content, I will explain about food and beverage. What do you think about food and beverage? Restaurant, food, drink, or hungry? Let me discuss one by one about food and beverage. First, I will describe about food before we talk about food and beverage in general. Alright then, the definition of food. Food is consumable solid or liquid substance which provides nutrition to body, supplies energy, and regulates body function. Food should be safe and nutritious that meet all the dietary or nutritional needs of our body. Food is mainly composed of water, lipids, protein, and carbohydrate. Food can be classified into 6 items in accordance to their chemical property, to their function, to their essentially, to their concentration, and to their nutritive value. There are functions of food such as provide energy, help growth and muscle, help the body fight disease, and many more. Alright, that's all about food, and now we can talk about beverage. The definition of beverage. Beverage is a liquid intended for human consumption. In addition to the basic function of satisfying thirst, drink play important roles in human culture. Beverage classified into two, such as alcoholic beverage and non-alcoholic beverage. For alcoholic beverage is portable liquid which contains 2% up to 74% of liquor, and non-alcoholic beverage refers to non-intoxication drink or soft drink which does not have a bit of liquor. In hospitality industries, the non-alcoholic beverages are essentially provided and served as a breakfast, lunch, and dinner, with or without meal to the customer. Alright, if we have talked about food and beverage itself, now we can conclude that food and beverage in general is a business in the food and beverage sector, while specifically is it a part of the hotel that takes care of responsible for the needs of food and drink service as well as commercial and professional needs. In other words, is it a type of accommodation that provides lodging, camp, drinking, or other service for the public and is managed commercially. The function of food and beverage are first, fulfilling the taste or give a satisfaction for guests. Second, maintain and improve the hotel goods name. Third, make a reasonable profit. And the purpose of food and beverage such as selling food and drink as much as possible so that you get a lot of customers. Second, provide the best possible service until guests are satisfied. And third, get the maximum profit. Food and beverage can be divided into two parts according to their respective duties, namely the front view or front service and the back view or back service. First, FB front service usually consists of restaurant, bar, and room service. Officer in this section directly relate to the guests. And second, FB back service usually consists of a kitchen, service bar, and canteen. It's called back service because it's directly related to the guests. In the tourism industry, the food and beverage department is one of the departments in the hotel that is responsible for the sale of food and beverage and is responsible for processing raw food ingredients into ready-to-eat food and is in charge of serving food and beverage to customers. Alright, the front food and beverage department itself consists of two parts, namely food and beverage product and food and beverage service. First, food and beverage product. Food and beverage product is a part of the hotel that handle food and beverage processing from raw materials to ready-to-eat product ranging from appetizer, soup, main course, and dessert for hotel guests. There needs to be competent knowledge and expertise in accordance with standard in the processing food and drink products so that guests feel satisfied tasting the product offered. A person in charge of this department is often known as a chef. In the food and beverage processing, of course, is not only reliable in the knowledge and skill required, but also requires discipline, neatness, good appearance, honesty, responsibility, speed, accuracy, and professional attitude in carrying out their duties. Second, food and beverage service is a department that provides food and drink service that are managed professionally and commercially to provide customer satisfaction and generate profits. In the field of food and beverage service has full responsibility for managing all forms of service related to eating and drinking as well as providing a room or place to hold official event or even meeting for the satisfaction of customers. Alright everyone, that's all material about food and beverage. I hope this content will be useful. So thank you and see you.